How to loan Lazada using Billease. Now, in this quick video, I'm gonna show you couples of informations and descriptions as to how you can obtain a loan from Lazada using your Billease account. So, of course, the very first thing that you want to have to do, assuming that you've already done all the verification process from Billease, you have the type of offer to loan to any third-party application that you can go. So say you already have enough fund from Billease or credit score for you to obtain a loan from Lazada. Here's the challenging part on Lazada. So if you pull up Lazada application, ensure that you're logged in. Go into the account tab at the lower right. You can scroll all the way down and choose on My Channels. Now, unfortunately, these are only the options that you can go for you to send a request if you're eligible to obtain a loan from Lazada. You can go with Flash Sale, Laz Pay Later, Laz Live, Laz Affiliate, and so on and so forth. You just need to choose on any type of loans that you would like to obtain on Lazada and then choose your Billease as your payment method. But again, you have to be eligible on Lazada first before you can use Billease. And that's it. Those are the things that you can do for you to loan Lazada using Billease.